Abu Tufail says that he submitted to Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, "Tell me about the circumambulation of Allah's house, running its 3 circuits and walking its 4 circuits. Is it a Prophet act? Undoubtedly, your people consider it a sunnah." Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, "They are true as well as liars." I said, "What do you mean by it, that they are true as well as liars?" He said, "When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got into Makkah Mukarramah, the pagans of Makkah Mukarramah said, being feeble, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions cannot perform circumambulation of the house." He said, the polytheists were jealous of him. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded his companions radiyallahu anhum to move with quick steps, moving their shoulders in first 3 circuits of the circumambulation and walk with normal speed in the rest 4 circuits. Abu Tufail says that he said to Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, "Tell me about marching between Safa and Marwa. Is marching riding a mount a prophetic act? Your people consider it a sunnah to march riding a mount." Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, "They are true as well as liars." I said, "What do you mean by it that they are true as well as liars?" Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, "The people thronged around Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, 'Here is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Here is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.' Even the young women also came out from their houses, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would not remove the people from his front. In short, when a lot of people flocked there, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam mounted, but walking and marching is better." Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3044.